A swimmer posts a race time of 2.247 minutes. Second swimmer posts a time of 2.31 minutes. The third swimmer completes the race in 2.2387 minutes. Find the difference between the fastest and the slowest times. First, we need to find the fastest and the slowest times. So let me rewrite first the times. The first swimmer has time 2.247. The second 2.31, and the third is 2.2387. So now we have to find the fastest and the slowest. So which is the fastest? The fastest, of course, will be the smallest number. So let's check. First, whole numbers, we have 2, 2, 2, decimal point. The next is 2, 3, 2. So 3 is greater than 2, so we have to check the first swimmer and the third swimmer. Next digits is 4 and 3. 3 is smaller than 4. So it means that third swimmer is the fastest. And the slowest, of course, will be the second. And next we have to find the difference between fastest and the slowest. So how we do this? To find the difference between the fastest and the slowest times, we need to do subtraction of these two numbers. From the greater number we have to subtract the smaller. The greater number, of course, is 2.31. So we have 2.31 minus 2.237. I place these two decimal numbers in the vertical columns aligning decimal points. We need to have decimal points in the same column. Next, we have to check the decimal places. We have 2 and 4. So we have to add 2 zeros to have the same decimal places. And next, we have to subtract two decimal numbers. We start from the last column and we are going to the left side. What else? We subtract decimal numbers like whole numbers. So, in my opinion, it's very good first to check if we have on the top greater number than on the bottom. So let's do this. We have 0 and 7. 0 is less. So we need to borrow from next digit 1. But we have 0, so we have to go to next digits. And in my opinion, it's very good to now to treat these two digits together. So we have 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So we have to write 9 on the second digit, and here will be 0 now. Because we have 10 minus 1 is 9. 0, 9, so this is together 9 only. And now at the end we have 10. So now 10 minus 7 we can do, 9 minus 8 we can do, and we have 0 minus 3. So again we have to borrow 1 from next column, so 3 minus 1 will be 2, and next we have on place 0, 10. So now we can do subtraction. 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 8 is 1, 10 minus 3, and of course we don't have this number now in circle, so I can cross this. 10 minus 3 is 7, 2 minus 2 is 0, decimal point we have to copy in the same column, 2 minus 2 is 0. So we got that the difference between fastest and the slowest times is 0.0713 minutes. This is my solution.